Hey guys, we have this Robinair and Yellow Jacket set here today. These two gauges are Robinair. The lenses are cracked and the gauges do have some rust on them. They have not been plugged in and tested. This is for the lot for these two gauges, and then all the wires. Then hoses. They're mostly all Robinair and Yellow Jacket branded hoses. Some of them do have a couple nicks in them, in the lines, like right here. Take a peek through all the detailed pictures in the listing below. Thanks, have a great day.